Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, October 31, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. Good morning. I am fine, thanks. And you?
I'm good. A bit tired from yesterday's meeting. This coffee helps a lot.
Yes, coffee is the best start to the day. I need it too after a long week.
Yeah, the week flew by. Did you catch any news lately?
I did. There was that big trade deal between the US and South Korea.
Oh, right. I read about it. They agreed on a $450 billion pact.
Yes, it covers trade and security. It helps both countries a lot.
That's smart. Lower tariffs on goods like cars and electronics.
Exactly. South Korea will invest more in the US. It creates jobs.
Jobs are good. As a sales rep, I see how trade affects our clients.
True. Our projects might get cheaper materials from there,
Cheaper imports mean better prices for customers. I like that.
but some worry it hurts local farmers. What do you think?
Maybe a bit, but overall it's positive for business. More deals.
I agree. It strengthens ties. Good for the economy.
Yeah, Trump met with their leader. They walked and talked.
I saw pictures. It looked friendly. Hope it lasts.
Me too. Now, switching topics, what about Nvidia?
Nvidia? They hit $5 trillion in value, first company ever.
Wow, that's huge. Just last year they were at 1 trillion.
Yes, in 3 months from 4 trillion to 5. AI boom drives it.
AI chips are everywhere now. Powers computers and phones.
Right. Their tech is key for projects like ours.
As sales I pitch to clients using Nvidia stuff, it sells fast.
In project management, we rely on it for data and simulations.
Crazy growth, but is one company too big?
Possible. Regulators might step in. We need competition.
Like if one coffee supplier took over, no variety.
Yes. We'd miss our choices here.
True. Their CEO is smart. Investments in new factories.
Yes, in the US too. Creates more jobs in tech.
Good news all around. Makes me excited for tech sales.
Me too. Our team uses their software daily.
Anyway, another story caught my eye. The journalists at the Pentagon?
Oh, the protest? About 50 gave back their press cards.
Yes. From big outlets like CNN and Washington Post.
They did it to fight restrictions. Want more access to info.
Bold. It's about press freedom and transparency.
Exactly, nonviolent demo. Highlights government secrecy.
In our office, we share emails and reports freely.
Lucky us, but in big places, rules are strict.
Makes you think. We need open talk at work too.
Yes, as manager, I encourage questions from the team.
Smart. Keeps everyone informed, no surprises.
Right. The journalists want the same from leaders.
Hope they get it. Free press is important.
Totally. Without it, we miss the truth.
Like if our boss hid sales numbers, chaos.
Exactly. Better to know everything.
So, how's your week going? Any big projects?
Busy. We have a deadline next week. Team is working hard.
Sounds tough. My sales calls are nonstop.
Clients demanding? Usual story?
Yes, but the trade deal might help. Easier imports,
Fingers crossed. NVIDIA tech speeds up our tools too.
and with better press, maybe less fake news on markets.
Good point. All connects to work.
Yeah, coffee break helps clear the head.
It does. I feel ready now.
Me too. What's your first task today?
Check emails and plan the meeting.
I have a client call at 9. Need to prep.
Good luck. You'll do great.
Thanks, you too with your project.
Appreciate it. See you around the office.
See you later, Alex. Have a good day.
You too, David. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.